Hey guys, it's Ken with Constructeam here in Ohio today, and I just wanted to touch base with you guys on a 3-story water loss. We understand when your home is destroyed how it can be overwhelming. That's why we treat every project like it's our own home, and we treat every customer like family. We always go beyond the checklist. We focus on you. We're Constructeam. We don't just care. We rebuild, we restore, and we stand by you until your home, your heart are whole again. So if you or anyone you know has experienced something like this, give us a call.